5 ingredients on this counter that make this a super immune boosting smoothie like no other. Everything else is a preference. 1, 2, 3. So, 1.
Today, I'm in my sister's house because she eats a little healthier than me. She's on a plant-based diet and she has all this lovely fruits and vegetables laid out because she's gonna make this immune boosting drink. Right now, these current times, you kind of want your immune system boosted, but you always want your immune system boosted. So I came over here to get this drink. Hopefully it tastes good. Now I don't know, she says it will, so we'll see. So what is all this? How are we making it?
First off, a visit to the store every Sunday puts me in position to buy about 9 to 12 different varieties of fruits and vegetables that I wash up, chop up, place into containers, and then I blend. This probably represents about 12 servings of fruits and vegetables, which is right in alignment with the recommended daily allowance for the types of nutrients your body requires in order to actually boost your immune system. So with that said, let's get started washing some of these vegetables. Charles, don't touch anything. Thank you. Cut.
Who does that?
Give me that. You can't touch nothing. Parsley is for your parsley health. This is a green, as well as the kale. Kale is a superfood that will do just about anything, and these are 2 items that you can have every day, as well as beets. Beets will give you a blood transfusion. They do more for you than any other medication that you could possibly take that impacts your blood. That's my opinion. I'm not a doctor. Also, the blueberries here, another superfood that cannot be topped in terms of what's bioavailable to the body without you having to break it down in any special way. So,
out of curiosity, I see you have different fruits and vegetables. You don't have any of the fruits and vegetables that I like. I don't see any watermelon, any grapes, strawberries. I don't see anything that looks good to me. Why do you have this variety of fruits and vegetables?
Good question. First of all, they're in season, and the most healthful nutrients that are available to you are the fruits and vegetables that are in season. Also, you want to eat the fruits and vegetables that you like, not what your neighbor likes or what your friends like. The fruits and vegetables that you will eat are the best ones for you. And I try to chop it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaves are not poison. Could put the entire apple seed in there, but too many apple seeds can turn into cyanide poison, as we all know. Half an apple, tomato, cucumber, lycopene, and last but not least,
so you just got done washing, cubing everything, separating it, and right here, this is all of it. I'm looking at this stuff. This does not look like this is gonna taste good to me. I'm just letting you guys know. Is it healthy? Pretty sure it is. Doesn't look like it's gonna taste good. My sister said it's gonna taste good. Don't know.
It's going to be very tasteful, I promise you. Berries always taste good. Sugar in the dates always taste good. Beets are very tasty. It's the greens probably that you wonder the most about. The greens, the parsley, the bell pepper, but they're gonna be absorbed and they're gonna be overpowered by the lemon. But the lemon is going to be overpowered by the sugar that's coming from the dates.
You keep saying sugar. I don't see any sugar. Sugar is white and it's in a powder form and you pour it. This doesn't look like sugar.
Refined sugar that has been processed and all the goodness that's left in it has been processed. That's how it looks. But this is how sugar looks in its original form. That's the best possible option that you can give to your body. So with that said, let's start blending. We've added everything to my super-duper Vitamixer. Not everyone has that type of blender, but what I've done is added some water, and if you have a little bit of difficulty or if your blender is not as strong as mine, you'll add more water to actually make it more powerful because it gives it more room to move the food around. I also have my tamper. This is going to allow me to push the food down into the blade, which is a feature of the Vitamixer. This is going to be a magical drink by the time it's done. Pardon me for a moment while I make a lot of noise. Okay, so now we're done blending. I'm going to pour the contents into these two containers. This is the 2-portion serving. I'm gonna leave a little bit left over for my brother so he can taste it and enjoy the benefits of good health. What makes a good serving size for each of them? Again, I'm gonna leave a little bit left over, otherwise I would fill it a little bit more. So it's taste test time. Look at that delicious goodness. We're about to toast to our health. And I will take the lion's share because he thinks he won't like it, but he's going to regret it. So, Charles, here's your copy and here's mine. To good health, bon appetit.
All right. Again, this does not look like it's going to be good. And you will tell by my facial expression, even if I wanted to fake this, you will tell. So, do you call this something?
Yeah. The super smoothie.
Super smoothie, huh? You don't have a name that would make it sound good?
Super duper smoothie.
Oh, super duper. All right.
Enjoy.
Let's see.
Tastes better than you thought.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, it's not.
Not bad.
And when it's cold, it tastes even better.
It's not bad.
But more importantly, it's doing so much for your body, you can't imagine how powerful it is.
It's not bad. It tastes very
Earthy?
earthy. That's the word I was going to use. Very earthy. You could really taste the, you said these are greens? And
Kale, parsley, beets,
yeah.
tomato, bell pepper, lemon, berries, cucumber, apple, and dates.
You know what I was
Celery.
thinking? This would taste very good if you added some sugar. Maybe next time I'll add some sugar.
Maybe next time you'll ruin it.
Sugar. So everything that you blended up made roughly 11, well, it made 11 bottles, roughly 16 ounces, and this will last you a week at two of these a day?
2 a day. Starting Monday, I typically do 2 for breakfast each day and try to throw one in there for my husband as well. They're quite delicious. Better than a multivitamin. Can also supplement a multivitamin because, as you know, they're tasty.
Yeah, you're very tasty. How long have you been doing this?
Probably I boosted, I went from 1 a day to 2 a day once this current outbreak that we have going on got started. Just to boost my immune system, in addition to adding 50 milliliters of water a day or 50 ounces of water a day and getting as little as 7 hours of sleep a night. These are all things that I figured would boost my immune system and make that super virus leave me alone.
Now, it wasn't bad. I don't know if I would go with this exact recipe, which I will have it in the description below. I might tweak it a little and I might add some of that white stuff that we all like.
Which would be defeating the purpose. You could add more dates to make it sweeter. Each date represents about 15,
that's the white stuff.
15 calories or 1 teaspoon of sugar.
That's the white stuff. Or maybe even honey. Maybe
honey would be tasty as well.
I'll substitute white stuff for honey.
If you are vegan, you wouldn't want to add honey, but it's also a tasty option. You can add cinnamon, you can add turmeric, you can add all those immune boosting foods and inflammation reducing foods to this drink as well.
All right, so with that said, we're going to conclude the video.
Bye.
And as usual, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm sure to get back at you guys. You guys have a blessed one.
Stay healthy.